Okay, we are sauteing some onions and jalapenos here. We're gonna make some chili beans. Chorizo chili beans. I made it one time, had this idea to throw some chorizo, see how that would taste. And the chorizo has a lot of extra spices and flavor in there, and then that pork fat is gonna really make it richer. And when I was a kid, my mom used to make us these chorizo tostadas. She put some beans on them, and then chorizo, usually some potatoes were cooked in there, and then it was really good. And then she put like radishes on top, usually radishes, maybe sometimes some cabbage. So when I made these chili beans, I put radishes on top of them, and that makes it really good. It really works, cut through that extra greasy flavor. So definitely when you make chorizo chili beans, you gotta have those radishes. Fresh radishes. Alright, let's pause this for a while and cook it down. Okay, these onions are starting to cook down a little bit. So actually, some of them are browning already, so let's get this beef in here. Let me see. Salt to it already. Might be easier with the spatula. Let's break these pieces down. Alright, put this down. Okay. Starting to smell pretty good. Those jalapenos, man. Oh, I got some fresh garlic over here too. A couple cloves. Cooking there. Alright, let's keep going until we brown it up a little bit. Let's pause for a second. Okay, this meat is pretty much all browned up. There's a few little spots in there that are pink, but it's okay because this is going to cook for a long time. I'm going to get some chorizo. We get some pork chorizo. Put it in there. I'm only gonna, this is only 1 pound of ground beef, so I'm only gonna use half of this thing. It's enough to give it that unique flavor. And I'm gonna save the other half and make some scrambled eggs with it. Chorizo and eggs, oh, that's good too. Nice breakfast. I'll just squeeze out about half. All that pork chorizo flavor. It's gonna be delicious. You know, let's give it a little more. Let's go 3/4 or 60% of this thing here. Let's really go for it. Don't be shy. Let's make sure we get it. There we go. Okay. Incorporate that in there. Go. Pork chorizo chili beans, baby. These are gonna be good. Okay, and then I just kind of make it the way I make chili beans. I still gotta mix it, but we're gonna put some spices here. Oop. So let's get some chili powder. Yeah, chili powder, baby. Chili beans, after all, we'll need chili powder. What else we got? And that's the chili powder to give it that nice basic chili flavor. But then let's get some cayenne pepper chili powder, and that gives it a bit more of a kick. And there's jalapenos in there too. But, maybe a little more black pepper. Some garlic powder, definitely. Even though I put a couple of garlic cloves in there, we gotta make sure we get that garlic flavor all up in there. I think that's the basics there. Let's just kind of move this around here a little bit. Okay. Okay. Starting to come around here. Okay, it's looking good. Oh yeah, that is looking good. Okay. Now, let's see, what do we do now? Now I'm gonna get like a tablespoon of flour. Now what this is gonna do, it's gonna mix in with some of the fats in there. And then later on when I put in some liquid, it's gonna thicken up the sauce. So it's a nice thick sauce. Okay, we got that going. Make sure we get all that whiteness of that flour cooked a little bit. Oh, it's getting nice and thick. Okay. That is looking good. Alright. Let me see. I'll get some tomato sauce. If I can find a can opener. Just oh, actually, with tomato sauce, you can just get that other can opener, the one you just puncture a hole in and pour it out. What am I thinking? Oh well. Let's get a little small can of tomato sauce. And if we need more liquid, you could always add water. And let's lower this heat a little bit. It is boiling. Alright. That's a lot of fat in there. That's really thick. Jeez. It may need a little bit more water, actually. Okay. Okay. And then, I gotta get those beans. They are chili beans after all. Dump this liquid out. And you can use any kind of beans, but I got pintos on this one. figured the pinto, since I'm using chorizo, I think it's a traditional Hispanic bean here. So you could use black beans, kidney beans, some white beans, like navy beans, or it's all good. There's not that many beans in here. Oh man, it's starting to look good. Let's lower this even more. Alright, what else do I need in here? Alright. Let me see. Let me get a spoon here. And then this is a little sugar, just to balance out the flavor. Maybe like half a teaspoon would be good. Trust me. Need a little bit of that. Oh man, this is looking really good. Okay, I'm gonna let this simmer for a while. Let me get a little taste of it though. That's really good. Potato. One more. And then just taste it. Figure out what you might need. Actually, a little more sugar might not be bad either. Get this up a little boil. Oh my. Alright, let's just let that simmer for a bit. I'm going to chop up some toppings now. That's what we're doing now. Let that simmer. We'll get up to a simmer and then we'll chop some toppings. Okay, we got that simmering over there. In the meantime, we'll get some toppings going on. We still got these jalapenos. I might slice one of these suckers. Get some fresh slices here. That's enough of that. Let's see. Oh yeah, the radishes. The radishes. We gotta have the radishes, I'm telling you. Like I said, when my mom used to make these chorizo tostadas, we always have some fresh radishes sliced on top, and that's what really made the deal. Slice a few of these suckers. Okay. Okay. Get some nice slices here. Yeah, that pork chorizo is going to make it really rich, and this really works well with that. Cuts through it. Gotta have the radishes. No, I forgot chives though. Chives would be good. Chives are always good. Green onions. And also corn chips. You don't have any corn chips, I forgot that. But we have this. This is kind of a crunchiness, so it'll work. And then I do have some old cilantro. Oh my god, it is dying. But jeez. Hopefully you got better cilantro than me. But it's still gonna work though, because it's gonna still have that. Once we cut it open, it's gonna release that fresh flavor. All right, you know what? And I got some jar jalapenos too, so I'm gonna use some of these. For some of this juice, actually, I'm gonna pour it into the chili over here. That might be good. I'll just get these ones ready. Have them right here. Just out of the jar. There we go. Ready to go. And then I got some cheese. Gotta have some cheese. Cheddar cheese. All day. Go ahead and shred some cheese here. Okay. Oh, baby. You know what? I'm not sure if I'm going to use this, but I also bought a bag of shredded cabbage because we used to shred our own cabbage and put it on the tostadas too. So this is more of a traditional thing here for the tostadas, but I'm not sure how it's going to work with these ones here, but we'll see. We'll see. And of course, I got some sour cream right here. Gotta have your sour cream. The only thing I'm missing is, and this is questionable, but I'm missing the green onions and corn chips. All right, this is almost ready. Let me take a little break here. Okay, while all that was going on, I had these potatoes in the oven about an hour. 350 for about an hour. So I'm gonna do something different today. I'm gonna do like loaded baked potatoes. So let's get some butter. Let's see. Let me get a fork here. All right. Oh. Yeah, this is. Oh, they may need a little bit more. I don't know. Feels a little hard on that one. I may have to nuke these a little bit more. I'm so damn hungry though. Jeez. Let's see. Yeah, I probably could use like 10 more minutes in there, but let me see. Let's taste some of this here. Well, I'm gonna put this in the microwave. Hold on. Okay, I'm always so impatient when I'm over here cooking in these videos. Put these back in the oven. All right, I'll be back in a second. Okay, I microwaved those potatoes for a couple of minutes. Soften them up just a little bit. They were just needed a little bit more. Do as they say, not as they do. Yeah, I'm always, I don't even check what time I put them in there exactly, so I was like, psh. But usually 350 for an hour should be good. It was probably like 50 minutes only. And I didn't preheat the oven either, so there's that. Let's get some butter in there. Oh yeah, baby. All right, that should be good. And we go a little GP here. Garlic powder, just a very tiny amount. Black pepper. Plenty of salt. Let's take a little bite here. Good. Okay, now grab some chili. Oh man, chili beans, baby. Chorizo chili beans, mind you. Get as much chili as you want, whatever you can eat. All right, let's get some cheddar on here. Let's let that melt on top. Oh man. Okay. Look at that. Now we get some little bit of cabbage. Spread it out. Okay. Some of that cilantro. Ooh, baby, yeah. And we get some of these pickled jalapenos. Ooh. And some of these bad boys. Some regular jalapenos, fresh jalapenos. Oh, some of these radishes. Oh, damn. Oh, Nelly. Okay. Then we're gonna get some sour cream, give it a little stir. Put some dollops of sour cream in here. Oops, someone fell down here. Get over here. Oops. Yeah, I mean, with some chips, it'd be really good, but it doesn't really need it. We got enough carbs from the fucking potato. If you know what I mean, pardon my French. Excellent. I gotta go.